Hey, what's up guys? So today we will be doing something a little different. It's not related with any of my trucks. We're actually going to do a how-to video on how to switch the seats out on your 2017 to 2019 GMC 3500. The 2500 is probably very compatible to this. I know the 1500s are not, because the airbag connections will not work. So if you're trying to buy a 1500 Denali, Chevy, or any of those, they're not gonna work due to the airbag connection. But it doesn't look too hard. It should be pretty easy, but we'll do a how-to video right now. First thing you want to do is disconnect your batteries. You need a 10 millimeter to take this one off, this one, and then you're gonna need a 13 to take this brace that comes off from over the battery from over here to over here. Take that off and you'll have more access to your battery. And then from there, you're just gonna do the same thing you did over there, disconnect the battery, the negative and the positive, just to be on the safe side. This battery looks a little bit more complicated, but it's really not. All you're gonna do is just grab a 10, disconnect it from here. He's got his amp steps running into that, and then lift this cover up, take this 10 off and just disconnect it. Again, I don't know if some people do it, some people don't, but when you're messing with airbags, better be safe than sorry. So if your truck comes with the DVD video in the back headrest, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. You're gonna have to open these seats up. There's some cables that are running in through here. You pull it up, there's a small little pinhole right there. I don't know if you can see it. You're gonna have to pinch that up, pull that up, take these off, or zip these up, take all the cables that are running off of it. But if you don't have the DVD video in it, then you're not gonna have to worry about this step. But so I'm getting ahead of y'all. Well, you gotta just pop this out. You can either pop it from the front or the back. I just grabbed a little pin, yanked it up, pull that out of the way. And this is the main one, that the reason you wanted to disconnect your airbag, your batteries. So pretty much when it's connected in there, you push this in and you pull this out. This pulls this way out and you yank it. There's going to be more electrical, but that's one of the main ones. And you're going to use a T50 Allen wrench to take off the seat. So what we did here, there's only 2 per seat. The rears, which are the two T50s, this one also. One thing you have to remember is you have to incline both of your seats forward, because the way the system works, you sit it down, you sit it like this. So we're about to lift the seat like this and pull it back. All right guys, so sitting the seat can be tricky. It's not too bad, but it can be. So you have, you have this where it needs to go, right? It goes right there. Make sure whenever you're sitting the seat down, you don't crush this, by the way. Let me see if I can give you an idea. When you want to sit it, you want to sit it like this, you want to sit it down. Well, the problem is when you're sitting this one and that one for some reason doesn't want to line up. So you want to make sure, if you got this one on, pull up on your seat, make sure it's not up, and just double check that, because you don't have to screw those two down and then realize that that's up. You got to screw everything out. So right now we got everything fitted into place. I'm gonna put these down, this one, run the seatbelt through here, tighten it up right there, hide all those wires. A lot of you guys won't have to deal with that, but in this situation I do. Hide the wires and then plug everything up and we should be ready to go. Okay guys, so remember, this is a T50, that's a T50. Right now we're putting everything back in. I haven't plugged this in. What I'm doing is I'm gonna tighten this one down, tighten this one down. And then this truck had the DVD, so I had to open all this up, the whole seat, run the cables from this monitor or the DVD system down here all the way to the bottom. I'm not worried about plugging those up right now. What we're doing right now is just tightening everything up, and then we'll tie in all the loose ends. When you're running these cables through here, you want to make sure you ain't got nothing. You don't have anything sitting down on this, so this cable's free all the way. This, all you do with this, you just clip this up on top. I can't do it. Oh, there you go. You clip it up, put everything back the way it was, just so you don't have to deal with any of that other stuff. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw those cables up to the top and then cover that up and we're good to go. So we got everything bolted down. Remember guys, T50. And then I don't remember if I told y'all whenever we took this off, which most of you guys won't have to. Only reason we did is to get the cables for the DVD. There's a cable. You strap this. There's a piece of wire back there, pretty small. All you do, I won't be able to do it right now, but I did this side. It grabs onto right there. Same thing with the other side, but I won't be able to do it while I'm doing the video. But all you gotta do is, so you won't leave these loose, just grab them, yank them, and that way they won't be flopping around and everything. Now we'll be running the seat belt. The seat belt here. Tighten this up. And get this fucking thing to go. There it goes. Tightening it up. Well guys, this is the finished product. Everything's connected. Gotta put that tab back on. Seat works perfectly fine. Moves forward, moves backward. But yeah, it was pretty easy, not too bad. You know, all you just gotta do is just make sure you connect your batteries. This one got connected, put the cap back on. That one got tightened. My dumbass broke this, but I'm about to get another one. That one's tightened up. This one is the one that just broke. Put the cap on, and everything's ready to go. But yeah, if you like the install and everything else, just like the video, hit the subscribe button, and we'll keep doing these videos for you guys. Just a bunch of random stuff, you know, just to see what other stuff we can think of. This one hit pretty good too. Oh, excuse the gun. Everything moves perfect. That's that little tab I was missing on that side, but other than that, we're ready to go. And if you have any questions or any type of concerns or anything towards it, just comment on the bottom and let me know what you need help with, and I'll make sure to help you out on what I can. Thanks guys.